Jackass! You know, tired fi clown out yourself in a social media and go on like you are entertainer. You dry up like yourself. You know, no entertainer. Speak my mind, family. What's up? What's up? What's up? Cloudy and rainy morning from morning. I do a video last night telling you about the weather. Talking about T-Gal. And YouTube restricted, so I review it. I wake up this morning expecting it to free up so I could have release it. It end up that still not free up all now. Still under review. So I get this video from almost about what? Saturday. And I never look at it. And me I said, so me have to go on something. So I decide to fly it up. People, when I fly it up, no Kakai Curly. Kakai Curly says she in her toilet. And she sit down. Kakai, if I saw you have a strain for defecate, you need to drink lubricant to loosen the inside of your bowels. Because me no want to see that sight there if you really are defecate. She in a bathroom and she depend and she say me, Ashanti, Bambam and all of you over YouTube. The whole of you become, you know what that mean. The defecate. Yes man. I see you saw this so the video done. Ma, I never know so much she know about 99. Me have to stop all the video and not go no further, so I don't even know what she said further down in the end. Because as you know, me now watch it all of it. But she talk up some things where she knows, she no where she know. She said where she have files where she have for 99. 99 come out but she transparent. And she not transparent. Because she have files where people where I say she not like them not like where 99 I do and reach out to she. So you're lucky that people are gonna reach out to you and tell her all kind of things about Silone money, this year money, and how 99 have big house up above you can hide it and not tell nobody. Where the rasta is. Boy, people, you don't want to believe say she knows something for you, the way she talk. So, we are gonna start it here. When you don't see this video, you don't know, say one in the pipeline and a review. So, make we start it right here. So, I want to release this video today. If I did ever see this video from Saturday, I want to get it already. Who know that get it already? Marcia says she know a whole heap of things, and if she ever let them out, make she talk for herself. So, speak my mind, family. We don't know what they do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up as you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, family oriented channel, you don't want to miss over there. Go over there, every little thing over there, cook vlog, everything. I can't go through that. Because I want to talk this video, yeah. Everything over there. We just go over the family oriented channel. Alright? And remember the young entrepreneur college student link of our YouTube channel in my comment section pin also. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Understand? Cash App is also there. $, Life is a Mission TV. Let's get started before the rain come. Tired, she said she dey pan, you know. See her there? I'm going to show her face. Watch her face. You don't want to see when you do it for real. It's not a pretty sight to see when you use a toilet. This narrow call me name and people name. So she has trained for...
Call haters them for me. Somebody call Dirty Bambam and all haters them for. Tell them send me a shit now for go take a then supper. especially could dirty girl when you're back. You're taking a shit. Come on, blood clot, bitch. Oh, well, like a stinking boy, a Jamaican car. A blood clot 300 and it cool.
Hey, people. Hey, you just feel like say you're an entertainer. You're a clown. You're a jackass. One if you're not tired to clown out yourself and go on like you're an entertainer. So let's start from me, Bambam, and Ashanti and the rest of YouTube saga first before she reach to the main part of the video. Alright? But Bambam, why she offer you from what day? She offer you from what day, boy? Come like she left latest and ready for you.
I don't know about them. They're too enough. They're too enough. These motherfucking people, they're too enough. Too enough. They cannot cost people. When me anytime I left my hotel, I me left my place, me come back, cost my bed, bread, nice and clean and everything. Then you don't cost me about my living. You don't cost me about my living. Right now I stood at swimming pool, I gone in right now. I want bathing suit there. I wear my t-shirt there. Should I even go take a little dip?
Marcia, swimming pool right now is not like back in the days when you could have come frighten a man talk about swimming pool at your yard or swimming pool. I show you in the ghetto where I live right now. How much time I see me show on people swimming pool. I mean not talk about swimming pool in a common area. When I say common area, I mean on the flat. Me I talk about a swimming pool that they on top of the man house. On top of him house, 3-story up. Swimming pool, not on ground level, 3-story up in the air. Swimming pool. So swimming pool that thing of the past, for you can find 2 shillings. And you want to make your life comfortable and achieve certain things with ambition. Unlike you when you have that. Anybody can have a swimming pool now. For you go to the hotel, you continue to talk about swimming pool. When my bath suit, you don't have bath suit body. You don't have bath suit body. Because right now, if you put on a bath suit, you favor best dressed chicken on the posters. If you put on a bath suit right now, you favor best dressed chicken. From the time you call the hotel Donna talk about swimming pool and you want to go out and call on phone, hello, what time the pool close? And you hear say at 10 o'clock the pool close. All know we can't see you going to the pool earlier than the time when it close. And every day you come and talk about swimming pool like you can't frighten nobody. You're using the hotel things to frighten people. We're not frightened over people things. If we're not frightened over our own things, or we're going to frighten over people things. And that's what you are do because you don't have no ambition. So you have to sit down and with a free mentality the way you have and the easy going life where you want to live, where you can't afford.
Actually, I'm going to take a little rest. The swimming pool close at 10 o'clock. I did a YouTube live watch. I did that when I watch you. When I watch you, you told me that they were talking about I shouldn't say anything about Matlock daughter. As somebody told me. Somebody called me and tell me say that the Bigfoot man a cuss. A cuss you or a cuss.
This is our new ally that she try to farm. This is one of our recruit. You know that big mouth. As I said, I now give this one and unknowings. One big mouth one. We favor E.T. Who know the character E.T. They come in all the space movie. That's how she look. Yes, one big mouth one. From what day, the same one they go on her live with her. From what day, I noticed she try to recruit her. Further than her ear, she said, me I ain't a friend, you know. But if we can't, because I never talk on phone, I never this, I never that. But if we can't dip on the platform, because I glad up on my platform, you come. And we can't cuss them out. Make we cuss them out. Nobody never asks if you declare if you're a friend or not a friend. But true, you're guilty. You understand? Because how she are running at you right now, basically, you and her are some friend. Who know talk on phone, people the rain a come and sun a shine. But me go and do what we are do.
Me and saying that you're talking about Matlock data. So she was saying to me, how is it that fear? How is it that fear? He and the 3000 and she, how is it that fear that they were discussing it and they were the first person who come out and downgrade my son. So the person was saying, but that is bias. That is bias because they are over there, that woman and Matlock and the little pissy boy, pissabed boy, come here, say pissabed too, come Maxine say pissabed too. You understand? And saying that how is it that they spoke about your baby and your son and she over there defend and I say you what? How is that possible? Me never come on social media and talk about the children until they touch mine, you know.
Where?
The whole of we are grandmother. The whole of
What you just say? You come and me a boy, you always say me deal with picnic and sickness and get other people, family involved in a social media war. And you come out for me picnic and talk about how me picnic this and my daughter this and make sure she not breed up and all kind of shit. I never get involved with your picnic dead. And that's something me come out for you. And I still never disroom me in any kind of way neither. Because she my baby, me will more the same father as an adult. So no come out here come tell nobody that. No look no sympathy out here. You understand? You come out here come trouble all the woman picnic. Them with the offering. So no come out here about you no trouble people picnic with the lie itself. People the rain and fall. So I can pause the video a little bit to the blow off. Like good a blow off in the car so it a fall from morning.
we have children and mothers too. We will carry a picnic for 9 months. No matter if you're rich or poor, and the same pussy come out and the same way we conceive. We have sex. Well, some of them get in artificial insemination, but me know me get pregnant the right way by the blood of Jesus Christ. And we go through our same pain. Some people take epidural. Me never take it. Me push out mine. Me feel the pain and me push out mine. You understand? We all eat the same type of food, some of us. Burger King, McDonald's, pizza, out. My son calling him all kind of name and my baby. I'm in a wrench back for you.
How can you come and drag my daughter into it where you never ever see no picture of my daughter? Unlike your son where people see much different mugshot of your daughter. How much different mugshot of your son and grandson pictures people see. And you come and you drag my daughter in it because when pressure reach you, you go below the belt because them say pressure bust pipe.
So what is it if you call after about it picnic? Anybody at them trouble.
So you come now and go like you're a simpleton, or you don't call people picnic unless them get your picnic.
Never used to touch kids
never
because
get
a child advocate. But if them can't come out, they all of a sudden never
God was like man, I find it turn back on like a dolly. I don't know normal dolly neither, chucky type of dolly, because you don't already look like
just
a
like
chucky.
his daddy, him have it between his mother lip.
You're and Chucky bride in a competition.
Me and CJ probably.
Right now them can act a modern days Chucky and use you. Chucky and the bride part 4 and use you. You don't need that in makeup. Because you are the identical twin of the bride of Chucky. Yeah man. Yes my people, it ease up back again but the place dark. Like light gone. And I just after 3.
Worried and wise. You understand? So what wrong with my baby? What's wrong with my baby? Nothing wrong with my baby nice. My baby is nice. We can't wait for to see him. We soon go to see him. We just wait a little bit for some guy down there and see him. What's wrong with my baby? Well, I said my baby, my grand baby. What's wrong with my grand baby? We them come right up. What grand baby is. Cuss them same way. Cuss them. They ain't no friend. But if me and you can team up and cuss them blood clot, me ready. As long as me not communicate with you on phone and so you come by my channel and we done them out, I don't have no problem. Me not have no problem. No, mister. Don't come over here and tell me you love me. That's why when we left out of the place, we left out of the naked
Man,
place.
say you're not comfortable, man. You're not living a life. See life, yeah? When you can go into your backyard, your side part of your yard and pick fruits and eat, not into a hotel. This is comfortable.
Oh, yes, you talk too much in the house. Or you can't play the song. Or you can't do this. That's the reason why I rather fit down the blood.
This is a comfort, Marcia. This is comfortable. Yeah, man. When you can go in your backyard and pick up fruits, not into a hotel.
And I make sure that I love
When you can go in your backyard and end up your underpants and your underwear and turn up the crotches in the sun and make sun catch it. Yes, man. That is when you're comfortable.
Just simple as that. Yes, so that is the way it is.
Comfortable and when sun can dry your clothes.
I mean, whether they go on Christmas,
Especially your underwear.
or they have to defend themselves in anything. I will stand by my son until the last breath. I will stand by my grandbaby until the last breath leaves my body. Hold on.
People all who are big star fruits, I'll be a one left on it. You overripe one up in the top. But my stage of climbing tree done. I don't know star fruit tree stay. Alright. You don't have no limb to climb on. You have to shake and pick. Marcia, in an expensive bathroom, I be stay tuned, you know. The Donna saga coming up.
That is it.
I'm sorry I never hear this saga. I don't want YouTube to hold on upon this. If YouTube hold on upon this, I don't do no video for the rest of the day.
Stand by my opinion.
So Tuesday again.
There's the people that live their life. They go on like say, education can make you happy. Some of them have education, no mad, no ass. Some of them get up and talk about who can spell, from who can spell. Most of them blood clot on social media can spell. So I don't know how you come and call people name. You cannot spell. Most of them cannot spell shit. Light is hard. You cannot spell. So I don't know how you come on social media and go on like say, you call people dunce. You know, say most of the dunce people that on social media make money. Eh? What you think them do? All them little boys from Africa, all them people from Jamaica, we come on social media and make fuckery video and a turn millionaire. You think they finish school? Finish school with blood clot?
Hey, from what you know, me observe, you know, there's a little shades of words, a cho from one place to the other, you know. And the same thing why cartoon come out, I speak about it in the video where YouTube will happen now. Don't have to go hold this too. Where cartoon come out and say T-girl show words from Marcia in saying certain things. A long time me I tell her that. Because a long time she has said things and the things that she has said, it is evident that it go for Marcia. And if you are somebody a friend to a certain level and you know so them live in a pit latrine and you and somebody else in an argument live in a pit latrine, I don't feel like you should have used a pit latrine and cuss the person. Reason being, cussing that person about the pit latrine or you and them and a friend is like you're cussing your good friend also or your friend also will live in a pit latrine. And she have been saying a lot of things. No, your man say come out, education, no fun of education, I want to speak, spoke, I want to this, I have it as a war of words. Yes, man. So, we just have to wait to see what is going to happen. What is going to be the outcome sooner or later. Because sooner or later, you know, it's tea that continue, you know. You don't know how Marcia can be still. She going to come out. As soon as she feel like say she attack, all you see she go on like kind of hold it. And when you can't tell me about where Tina, sir, Tina, this or Tina, that are rare, and Tina, that one, I don't want to come tell me where this say and that say. You just wait. Just wait.
It's not. Eh? They don't finish no motherfucking school. Eh? They don't finish no school or nothing, but no. Then come on social media calling people, oh, you're dunce. Dunce what? Eh? Some of you not even know if you spell the woman name. Much less on a pitney name. I want to come on social media It's still early, said we, you know. Yeah. I am living where I'm living. That's why me love myself, you know. That's why me love myself and me say to myself, say, anywhere the money have to come from, God is going to take care of it. I am going to make sure that I'm comfortable. And where me is, me satisfied, nice and comfortable. When me walk out of this place and me come back, me get what me supposed to get. You understand? Me I come back and see my bathroom clean.
People, on a serious note, you know, you can't wrong her still, you know. You are myself, you can't wrong her now. For the life where she live now, you can't wrong her. If we not go wrong her, one of the wrong her for is how she end up living this life. Non-ambitious. But for she to be comfortable with the life where she live now, you can't wrong her. Because it don't happen already, what you have to do? You have to just condition your mind and just live with the life where you have to live now. It's not a good life. And as I say, from where you come from, remember when you're born on plantation, you're born in a good family, you're born with family where have 2 shillings can spend around. You leave Jamaica at a tender age. You're the overseas in America. You understand, land of opportunity for 40 odd years. And this is the life where you live. So we blame you for that. The non-ambitious person you is. But right now we have to give the props, you know, to kind of, you know, condition your mind to live the life where you live now, which is not a good life, you know. But you have to just condition your mind. But you're not living a life, Marcia, honestly. Because, you know what, you know, we never know what will happen to us in our life, you know. But somehow we buy it for ourselves, somehow we bring it down for ourselves, and somehow we just not have no ambition. So we end up in a certain life where we're in. Because somehow we get the opportunity and we don't make use of it. And that is ambition. You don't have. Like you. You understand? But me give you props, you know, if you kind of live it, because probably some people are mad out, you know. Although you're partially mad out still, but that's how it goes.
And as long as we put away my stuff, if you left anything on the bed, then I touch your bed. That's one thing with them. If you left any sheets.
People, hey, Marcia, hey, you see life where Marcia live, she love it, you see, man. Hey, so when Marcia talk on this video, Marcia just step on. If you left any sheets, you know, I love the life when I live. You know, them just married couple, they can't. I don't know when you just married, your mother ring, so. Yes, man, God. Months after, years after marriage, you remember say you have ring, you take a file ring and throw down ring. But Marcia just step on. And you leave and come back, everything is okay. The only thing is, if you left anything on the bed, them not take. And she just have mag the ring finger, you know. And a marriage she married, you know, so who feel like some man she married and just come and don't know what I want. And the marriage she married. She did buy the ring for married to one man, one Jamaican, me here. And when the Jamaican see her dirty ways, the Jamaican run away from her. Remember, you know? It's a man that we want him stay, you know. And if the man can't take away himself from Marcia and say, oh, F stay. Me go a road go fight it for myself before me stay with she. So at the ring that now she have a mag with, she end up affair with the ring because she did buy it. Yes, man, she did buy a ring. When you just listen to how this woman I love free mentality. Every time she talk, there's no video where she do. Where she not think about freeness. She not think about what American government can give her or do for her. Listen to her.
Come on social media. It is, you know, you guys are saying, Marcia, stop it. But when I realize, say, America.
I don't mind doing that video before the rain come again.
And when you are free, that you reach a point in your life where you are free to do what you want to do. Because there is help out there for people, you know. There is a lot of help out there for people if you want it. Remember, me are 51 next month, you know. Me can't get all kind of benefit. Me not ask you. There is so many new programs out there. We must be working in a union, you know. There is so many programs that are in America right now. Donna.
So that's why you sit down and allow yourself to be non-ambitious. Because you're in America, you know what the American government will do for their citizens. Provide shelters, provide pantries, provide a little stipend there, here and everywhere. So that's why you sit down and be non-ambitious. You know, try to be ambitious where you know say you know have to sit down and wait for the government time to issue out $1, or you have to go there so go giant line to get food or pick up food. You can't go in your own pocket and buy your food. That's what you call free, Marcia. When you can't afford to go in your pocket and do your stuff yourself and not wait for people or live off of people.
You know, with children out there, maybe it's harder for single people, but there is so many programs out there. Me can't suffer. I cannot suffer.
That's why you laid back, so.
I don't need no writing from you. You tell us I don't come on my page.
Anyway, my people, this free mentality where she have, she need to get rid of it. Because probably I eat a whole her back and a whole her down too. Because she have the free mentality. So she just feel like so the little where she earn out of the stagnant business, she can just palaver and do anything with it. Because at the end of the day, if tomorrow come and she can't find food, government of America will provide food. If tomorrow come and she can't find shelter and she don't want to go to her sister place because she knows certain things she can't do, she just go find one shelter. Anyway, welcome to the main attraction. This is where Marcia tell you the whole of Donna business. I don't know if Donna know this a business yet, but Marcia know it. So, you sit tight, gird up on yourself, go take some refreshment. If you have not hit the like button as yet, do so now. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, go subscribe now. Because you know what I'm going to do. Someone will come over here, come watch, you know, as you go by you learn things. I'm going to make some video you can see. You have to subscribe for over 48 hours. So if you run can subscribe now, you still can't see the video until 48 hours. Just like how you have some style where you, some channel where you go on, you can't comment, you can't watch, but you can't comment. And you have to subscribe to comment. And you have to subscribe over 5 or 10 minutes before you can comment. Yes man, I find one part where you have to subscribe to the channel before you can see the video. And when you subscribe, it takes you 48 hours to see the video. Alright, so stay tuned. So don't subscribe, I want to see something. You don't want to miss a lot. Anyway, my original people, sit and wait. Donna saga coming up. Alright, my people. You will listen up cleanly because as you know, the inner the yard, as you can see, and you have street side, main road. And she's talking very low. At the lowest me ever hear she talk consecutively is in this hotel. Because when she at Woodland Village, she dey on top of her voice. Very rare when she try to play a character, you hear she dey on and she go down in a little soft, very rare. You understand? But yeah, so no loud noise. So what money ears because I don't want to miss nothing what she say, yeah, so I make sure I adjust the camera phone to just hold on. I mean I want to not miss nothing. So yes man, see me adjust the camera. So alright. What money ears roadside.
The 199 she, me I call her name. I didn't call my name every day. I see one video today, I don't know when she make it. Her face, I first never see her face so look so good. It look like say she go copy me and go buy one makeup like a mine. Did you go buy Hill maquillage? You come like you have
everything
a Hill
done a
maquillage
copy
for your
for
face,
she.
Rihanna makeup.
She not buy nothing expensive, but it's still.
A filter. It surely look like a one
Our
day makeup.
makeup
The other one
expensive.
me I look was very cheap. But that makeup you look smooth like a Hill maquillage. You're sure you not take me advice when me buy the makeup there and I do it? You go hard at the makeup there. I know when me see good quality makeup, you know. For her face, you know. And that is not even your color, you look extra brown, what if it you? You should wear it more often. But my face say you go buy Hill maquillage. Because your face are your best, me ever see your face look. So me
Marcia
have a
say life,
feeling
yeah.
say run go
I
buy it.
just
I
go
bet
pick
you buy it.
vitamin off of my tree,
Me see
star
one video
fruit.
where she a do. And she claims that she not wear filter. So if she not wear filter, she wearing heel maquillage. And she wear the Rihanna perfume thing. But that makeup look like a heel maquillage makeup. Because it give you a natural look and it give you a brownish look. You look like you go buy my color. I mean, I wear the same color because you're darker than me. But that
I can remember a few weeks ago, she come out on our platform and she had cuss. I don't know if I see him 19, but she cussing like people who are spending money to buy this whole of expensive hair and makeup and whatsoever. And she said she don't do that. She buy her like a cheap hair them and them serve her for all 2 months, all 2 years. She have them. And I like a cheap makeup she go down at Macy's and Burlington go buy. But all of a sudden, you're talking about assuming that 99 are wear a certain makeup and it's very expensive. And I usually follow and go buy it. And she buy your color and she not have your color. You sound confused? But what? You just want even with the woman and you don't realize that the woman is far ahead of you. So if it get even with the woman, you have to compare yourself. And we all know there is no comparison.
makeup there. Yes. You look like you go buy the makeup there. I know the makeup when I see it. You follow me and go buy that heel maquillage when me go on my nice.
Me never know where name.
Yes. You go buy that, you don't buy it. Yes. And I heard you making a video acting like say you grew up in a luxury, you grew up in a riches. Bitch, you not grew up in a fucking riches.
Here again, bitch.
You not grow up in a riches. And you run well left it. You not run left no riches. Nobody now run left riches. Nobody now run left riches. Nobody now so talk. You.
And that's why you vote this on stagnant. Because you sit down and depend on American government. That's why you vote this on stagnant. What you mean nobody now run for the riches? And this is why most of the women sit down on a man government. When I say woman sit down on a man government, I mean we don't have man, we don't marry to, we don't date with, we don't live with, we don't have picnic. And life not comfortable. But because man go no house, car, land and go no bank account, you can go draw money and ray. But it's right there so it stop. Because you don't have no fun in our life. You can't go nowhere. You is like a house rat. Can't go nowhere. But supermarket, market, take the kids to some playground or somewhere, back home, yes, you have social car drive. You have a account, you can go spend any amount of money. You have big house where you look down from way down at Kingston, yeah. But what? You don't have no comfort in yourself. Because you're on a man government. Did you know that man government make you unhappy? When you don't have no freedom, it's like a prison you're there. Because you're restricted from enjoying yourself. You can't even look for your friends and family as you have a mind. And this is why most of the women sit down and eat them something there. And it costs domestic. It costs domestic. Because when you don't feel like you get fed up by it and want to move, you can't move. So all you mean nobody now run left riches? Nobody now sit down in riches and uncomfortable. We have ambition. People in our riches are uncomfortable now sit down. You understand? So no come talk that crap. Yes, you might not have many people who are going to do it. They are going to sit down in it. But you have people out there who are going to move on, who have ambition, and them know them can help themselves. If she sit down in a fear of our father riches now, should I do she there today? No, she only do she there today because she is so relaxed and find herself with no ambition like you, sitting waiting on her father handout. God bless the man that has his own. Our father one wasn't fear her own, but at the same time, she not hungry. She not sleep out her door. She not figure out live in a hotel. Got so much mansion there. You understand? Green acres. That they wind up a green acres, me know it. You know much time me there look out and sit down and I look down upon it. Eh? Father does place up a green acres.
You have to come to the reality and stop being ungrateful. Charity put you where you are, bitch. I mean, I call a bitch now one good way.
When you say charity put her rich past you there, you need to clarify that and make it clear. Financially, what she achieve in her life, and a charity put her there. What charity do is highlight her honesty, highlight her personality, highlight the person she is, the kind-hearted person she is. It also highlight the bagger she is too, as I want to say. But behind the bagger, there is so much good behind the bagger because she's not perfect. No man is perfect in this world, none. Sometimes me all want to say Father God not perfect because when they bring all people like you upon earth, with that the mind and heart they want to have against other set of people. People who not do nothing. People who just because they might elevate left you know. People who run round you know. People who surpass you know. The mind and the heart who not have against them. Sometimes I feel like me I wonder if God make mistake and make you not come here. You understand? So charity not put her away, charity highlight her. So if I put the yeah put where charity put her to the world, that's different. But me know one of this so you talk. Because if you're sensible and you listener and listen to the video, you know, she are trying to say financially what 99 have a charity makes you have it. In her sense, charity put her to the forefront. But it's her earn hard cash, not charity money. Oh, so fix up your argument.
Charity put you in. Stop making excuses.
So all
And
charity
talk
never
about
put
your
you
poor
which
parish,
part
run
you
from
there.
it.
Or put you somewhere then.
Nobody's gonna
Because you say
run
you should do
from
charity.
riches and end
You
up
should do
look
a
like your
lot of
body
humanitarian
going
work.
a
Come do all kind of
Look
march.
how much cut
And
up
it
you
not
have.
help
Why
you.
would you run from
Show you
riches
say you
and
not
go
an
sell
ambition.
drawers and
You don't
slippers
have the
downtown
know-how.
and a fight over man make you cut up like you know walk for like you know cross over Jerusalem into Israel and Baghdad.
Let me tell you this. In every good family, you're going to find a bad one. In every rich family, you might find a poor one. In every uptight and decent family, you might find a hooligan. Put that in your head, do your homework, and understand what me I try to say to you. And let me break it down. You can say she born rich, she shouldn't go downtown go sell jars, and she shouldn't go downtown go sell this and school go sell that. As I said earlier on, it's about ambition. She want to be her own woman. She want to own her own things. She see her own goal. She not sit down and wait for her father create her goals, see her. If I saw it happen, it will happen so. But the driver, she have to go out there on her own. A lot of us kids, how much picnic you know, we're running from them good home. Runway now, you know, me I talk about runway. Because them want to do certain things where them cannot do it if them in them parents' home. So what them do? Them run away and go lick heads with friends and other companies. And go out there go do certain things. At my tender age, me never run away. Because from me I grow, me can't sleep out. But what? Me couldn't come out of my mother's house, gone a party 7 days a week, and when me come in 3-4 o'clock in the morning, me I come knock my mother's door. Me have to hold the step and sleep on the step with Rex. You understand? Me have to go up on the veranda go sleep. Me have to go hold asleep if the place lock up. Me have to go hold asleep in the bathroom or the outside toilet. Or draw 2 chairs or a table and lie down pan till the morning. Because no reasonable, sensible parents now go allow you to come in 2-3 o'clock come on that door to go in a house. You understand? That no mean me never live nowhere. That no mean me never have no parents who care for me. But what? Me see, me want to be my own man from early. And my mother couldn't afford certain things. So what? I know she send me out there. Me go out there. Because I have to go feed. Me want to go feed. Me don't want to sit down and wait for it come to me. Because I might end up this like you. I might end up having no ambition because I sit down and wait for a handout. So what me do? Me go feed. So when you go talk about Donna come out and sell panty and she gone this and she have riches. Because she want her goal. See, she reap it, you know. Where are you now? You're coming like some of them old-time sportsmen. We see them have one program and them say, where are they now? Where are you now? All the life we used to live back then, the fly here, fly there, the all kind of resort and Paris and cruise. Where are you now? All the way you come here come boast about was fun privately by private people. Right now, all the way you talk about Donna can't do it. Go in her pocket and do it. You can't do it. That's why it's where are you now? You can't talk about it. And when you used to do it, as I say, it's funded by private charity.
With the whole back cut up on your skin all over. What the fuck? Tapping eyes. Charity put your ways. Don't stop. Don't make it seem like you grew up in the riches and you had it. If you had it, you would not be a housekeeper. You would not be cleaning shit house at bush straw at office and cleaning toilet at office. Shut up and be motivated to the people. You understand? Just leave. You should leave.
People, at this present moment, me is around people me know. We have abundant amount of cash where them can't done. At one point, one of the man say the amount of money him have right now, I know him gonna do with it. You know what him do? Him have about 6 or 7 people. The man say if you see him money now pile up on him alone. Man make sure every month him give each one of them people 500,000 put in his bank book. But yet still, well, might not in Pitney, but like family member, this is close like this. I walk up out the road, I beg a man a cigarette, I beg a man look food, and you have look a man left. And this is family member that is close. I talk about one family member, when me there, and the family member, they way down at Egypt or Israel. Close family. When you look upon him, you wonder. Sometimes you look borrow me there, me look upon him and I say to him, say, every time you want to place, you come and you have one big old plaza, one long stretch from the corner to the main. You understand? And if you not you want not this you left from and come here so. So what she has said don't make no sense. Whole heap of rich family you have people who are close to the people, and you have the money of the family are dead for hungry. And as I said, you have people with them ambition when they sit down and count for no family one. Them go and look for them one. And that's why you're stagnant. Because if your family one, you sit down and wait for them because you're afraid your family take it tell you government money, taxpayers money.
Talk about the transparency and
please, I get black again so rain soon come.
Everybody in Google. All we register with Google. That's how we get into YouTube. We have to get into Google. So don't make it seem like, oh, if YouTube cut off, we in a Google. You all we go have Google.
I want to bunch of man, I must see the van there just pass. People, you're such a fool. Why did the woman come and she talk about our evidence so she have? Nobody not have nothing upon her, nobody not this. And she was like saying, see it here? She have it in upon video. She have it on Facebook, she have it on Instagram, she have it there so. The woman go as far and say if them even get knocked, it they in a Google because she have Google. When the woman said that, yes, everybody have Google. But if it is sensible have any sense, you would understand say the woman attack. Back up. And everybody have Google, but not everybody have Google back up. You understand? It's not everybody back up them things to Google, you know. And that's something where you have to do because it don't automatically happen. You understand? And you have to do what you have to do. And know say you create your Google backup. And that's exactly what the woman attack. Here she will come. I tell, oh, everybody have Google. Because you have to have Google if you have YouTube. You have to have Google if you have Facebook. You have to have Google. Everybody know that. Who don't know that? Everybody know that. But a Google backup the woman talk about where her storage is concerned. So if it gone and she lose a 20 phone and she buy her next phone tomorrow, all she have to do is put in her Google account and everything come back up. She not lose nothing. Unlike some people, if them phone gone, Everything gone because them never have Google backup. Alright? So, stop mislead people now, man. Have some common sense now, man. I just capital sense alone you have. Have some common one, man. People, the place I get dark.
You don't have Google. Well, I don't have Google on my phone. Hey Google, tell me where to go. We have it. You have to take.
You see why I say? Jackass! Stop coming on social media and make yourself be a clown. Cause you know no entertainer.
Responsibility for your action of the people and money. Eh? It's not you talk about your kid do this or your kid do that. Is your kid build a house up above rock? The big mansion we have above rock? Where your family house where you build? And your kid money build that. So what making you go above rock and show the house? Where you hiding it for? Remember say above rock me come from to you know. Me not come from people them come from you know. Above a kid build.
You only say you come from above rock. I know we know hear nobody come on down a platform. You come from above rock, say them know you. We know hear nobody say that. But Donna, oh you hide the big house above rock so I'm Nation and you show everything else. Everything we done. Cause right now you're not showing nothing when it start again. You learn, you know, you wait till it done and everything manifest and then you show it. But based power Curly, I say no, 99. You either when you're from Blanca, that the big family house there where you build down above rock, it's not supposed to done and then live in there. You could have show it to man. Oh yeah, make Curly bring your business come around. That Curly alone know about the house. When last she go back above rocks. And now when you build that. And when you build that, because she does a talk, that's mean recently you build that. Because I never hear she say that last year. No sir, Curly know the whole of 99 business and don't know fear one.
A cake make up fix up your house above rock where you have up the nice and ready. You know you need to stop it, you need to be more humble. And that is the reason why you're losing people and then gone right over to T-Nation. You know see T-Nation I can't run for your money.
Donna with them. All them a chat, Donna just
with them. Lord bring me down.
With them.
You cannot come on social media and be ungrateful to the people. And these motherfuckers not even sit through you. You are very ungrateful. You are ungrateful.
Now I go for something come give you Marcia. Hold on.
If I knew you were turning out like this to be so fucking ungrateful to God, I would have never talked to you. I remember saying me first stop talking to you. Now make your motherfucking people them say me first stop
Marcia, you want a leaf of life.
In a WhatsApp and block you.
Marcia, you don't just want a life. You want a leaf of
life.
life.
Always keep it real with you.
Because you want to cleanse yourself.
So just remember
do
that
you know this leaf of life here is very beneficial to the body?
So when they can block you from Facebook at the
that you want, so Marcia, a leaf of life. Cleanse you out. Purify you. And give you life.
You understand?
Because you're not in a life.
So let the people know I'm not a big friend. But you have to come to a realization. Be humble. Be humble. Be humble. Because what into darkness must come to the light. Because me, Marcia, can prove a lot of things.
Before she get in a lot of things, she tell us she know. I agree with you. What into dark must come a light. And that's why hot and winter and summer, they come to light. When all these months are here, you're going like you finance all your trip and vacation. We never know says a woman a finance it. I wonder if she have no dildo in the bag. I wonder if no dildo in the bag. Oh, anyway, come talk Donna business some more because I want to hear because she not tell me.
Not only with words but with documentation that were sent to me by big donors and their names never called. So don't come on the social media and talk about every donor's call, even with Miss Siloni house. So stop it. Even transaction that was sent to your bad mind, dirty friend.
Before we begin, look how long Siloni house bill and done with. Siloni house is actually probably one of the first 5 or in the top 5 that bill. So you just come with evidence now. You and your friend them over saw the same thing. We don't have evidence long time and just a come out with it. Anyway, my people, I remember when Donna up a wish for Carol keep her birthday and with them decorate and Donna up on the live and Carol start to shout her with them. I was wondering who Carol attack because when I time I jump off her live I never end up know after Carol done talk. So I never know she talking at the end of the live. But now when this old crow bait come attack, I realize that Carol did attack. Yes man, because like somebody see the live and send it go give Carol. Because everything that Carol talk about are the same thing this crow bait that talk about. So me know she. So you see, the whole of them are the same thing, you know. Them just can't see people progress and leave it alone. Yes man. I tell you if you been here now, I can adjust back this because I can't hold this to the last part of the video because I'm coming up to the last part. Them just can't see people progress and leave it alone. Why I don't know. Them not like see progressive people because through them make themselves stagnant. Yes, them not want to see you progress. You're supposed to stagnant like them.
When him Carol, when she working, them should have fire a blood clot long time. Because me never hear anybody work into a facility where for certain class, for disabilities and all them people and get too much vacation. Taking advantage of the system.
Now, just like how you want to take advantage of the system because you're strong and hearty and could have earned what you supposed to earn to have a life. But you choose not to. Because you have your mind set on taxpayers and government money and facilities. So Carol have her ambition and set her things, have her business, still her work, being a supervisor, working for 20 years. Unlike you, how much year service you ever get away where you work? All the home care where you do. Have you ever do home care at nowhere for even 2 years straight? No, because the type of person where is nobody know why you them place so long man. Nobody know why you them place so long.
Because she worked there as a supervisor. Them should fire her ass. You understand?
Here, but you wish people. That's why I want to depend you.
You see, same like how they come and dash out. Erica, people can dash you out too. Be careful of what you say.
No wait for dash out, not to dash out right now. After 4 or 5 years, the whole of we sit down and wait for no dash out and we can't soon dash out. You understand? 4 or 5 years now we are waiting for no dash out. So don't come make the public go and like you want me the public feel like you have something. You don't have nothing. Let me give you a hint. If interviews and likes here, look, it's like when you said this 2 days after you just put on your screen like when you see enough for them on your title. And say, come, you're going to dash out Donna business. All the women know about her. Come, because I have fresh evidence. Just put it in your title. Yes, man. I make the whole of the plank and everybody run over. Me I give you an idea. Because I notice a certain individual that be at them something to share. Put some title. Not share alone still, but you have a few. And when you run, go over there. I know that. But you see, true, me know them. And if you catch me 1 time, you can't catch me 2 times. Me not mislead nobody in my title.
Because when you come out and speak like that,
if I made the last part of the video, where you see on my title, it's in the video.
People are getting upset. And you know what they're doing? They're getting touching with me. And they're saying they don't like what you're doing because I'm a cycle. It may start short on something.
Me never know say he's an agent of 99, or he's an agent of good deeds, or he's an agent of Donna Go charity. I never know that. Why people will be getting in touch with you? What affiliation do you have with 99? You don't have any affiliation with 99. So basically, who are getting in touch with you are mix-up set of people. So basically, them just want to get in a mix-up. Because a 99 and them know your 99 is at odds. Or you is at odds with 99, I should say. But at the same time, nobody not saying nothing to come to you. Nobody not get in contact with you. You're too lie. You're too lie. You're too lie. Move! Go up!
Right now, you can say, oh, who tell me that? You can know who tell me if you start even throw some stuff towards your daughter, them and all kind of something. You have to stop it. There were donors and people who help you along your way to bring you where you are today. So you should be kissing everybody's ass.
When you say donor, what do you mean? Handout? If I handle that me ask you, if I handle theater, that's a no-no. That's a no-no. If you operate a business, yes, customer help your business to grow. My YouTube channel, my subscribers help the YouTube to grow. You understand? But when you're gonna make it look like say the customers is who give me money to start my business, foolishness. When you're gonna make it look like say every clothes me wear or every shoes me wear, every type of things me come out here in upon my social media platform is subscriber buy me it. No, they play their part because they support the channel earn a revenue, so it give me that privilege to go to the store and buy a ganzi, buy a pants, buy a underpants. But them not literally give me cash, and this is how you make it look like you have secret for the woman where donors tell you say them give her money towards this or give her money towards her house or buy her 1,000 black or 100 cement. Move. We know all that is lie. Nobody tells you nothing. The support of your business, yes, you're grateful for it. Just like in a YouTube here, I support the support of my subscribers. I'm glad for it because that's how the channel get recognition. That's how the channel gain a revenue. But they don't literally give me anything like say, boy, yes, rotted. One, me like seeing them gangs there. Buy some clothes, yeah. Buy some shoes, yeah. Go and go do this, go and go do that. No. The customer will come and support them wholesale. Yes, there are customer. There's the persons who make the business grow, but not in the farm or you try to put it yourself.
You should be quiet. You should be coming
I
out
sell
here
them a service and them pay for the service.
They live in America for so long. I live here
I don't
a very
get
long
nothing
time.
free or handout. I sell them a service and them pay for it. Rain come again, people.
I live here a very long time.
Video
I
done
came here
now.
about 10, 11 years old. I think I came here.
Video come to an end now, so
and I came here.
I'm glad the rain come at the right
a
time.
3-family house.
All night rain, this fall and stop.
You understand? A sophisticated woman, upscale woman. My table had about 20 people every Sunday.
Anyway, people, I don't know me now play the whole arena or the whole of nobody at all. Because them feed them live at 1 hour, 2 hours. So I do me go through the live myself. I'm going to pick out what I want to pick out. I'm left what I want left. You know? Probably some other part of the live when I want to hear it, but I don't see it relevant for me. So I don't know what they do. Rainy weather. Who live at Jamaica and have something you can watch in the evening, yeah? When the rain start fall. The ears time when the rain start fall. And them start to who not send. Them a make phone call. The wicked time when the rain start fall. Speak my mind family. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video. Continue to support the channel. Remember to continue to support the backup channel also, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Like, share and leave a comment. Press the notification bell so whenever time a video drop, you get notified. Remember the cash up in the comment section, $ Life is a Mission TV. And please remember the Young Entrepreneur YouTube channel, Life with Gabby and Chevy, the link in the comment section pin. Give her a subscription, it now costs $1. Bless upon yourself. People living in Jamaica in the under the weather, be safe. Please and thanks, especially you people in the rural area. I don't know how to stay with the weather. The center my side look like it, I get it. It not look so bad. Wow, it a come, me people, me gone. Sooner or later, be careful, watch the weather. Me I go now a little bit tight, wait. Wanna hear it there? Me gone.